What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? If you don't know me, I'm Dodgy, and I teach and trade only IFGs. Now, in this video, I'm going to be going over 5 examples of A+ IFG setups and explain each of them in depth why they're A+, and hopefully that's going to cause your brain to get that repetition so you can start seeing these in live time yourself. Because when I tell you these are good setups and are easily the highest win rate strategy setups in the entire market. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The first setup is going to be a short setup, okay? And the main criteria for my guide that I have posted in the link in the description, so if you want to follow my ratings guide along and see why I'm giving these A+, you can do that. Again, just click the link in the description, is because this sweeps liquidity here, okay? And it also delivers from this tiny bearish fair value gap here. And this is one of those fair value gaps where, in hindsight, I truly don't know if we're going to reject it. But if I see a stalling at it, if I see any sort of reaction from it, that's when I'm like, market really does care about this. And then I'll draw it on my chart, okay? And then I'll use it as either an inverse. If we inverse it, I'll be like, okay, well, maybe we're bullish. Or if we keep holding it and reject it, then I won't be bullish. I'll be bearish. And you can see the first couple of tries here, we never broke anything. This is just chop. And there's a little tiny fair value gap here where my mouse is, right? It's very tiny. And price didn't break it either. And then all of a sudden, we got a nice pump up here. And we barely swept this high. Now, you're probably wondering, like, don't we need to sweep this high up here? And honestly, because we're rejecting this fair value gap, no, the answer is no. We already swept enough highs here. The market doesn't truly need to re-sweep this 50 million times. And now, in hindsight, I saw this reaction, and I didn't know what could happen. But then all of a sudden, I saw boom, one candle here, and then boom, 2 candles here, instantly inversing this fair value gap. And to me, that is one of the best signatures in price that can happen. You don't stall. You just get an instant boom, bullish fair value gap, and then boom, 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 bearish fair value gap broken with displacement. And that's where I'm taking the A+ short, because I know we're delivering out of a fair value gap, and I know we're high in the range. So what does the market naturally do? Retrace to the discount of the range. And I know we swept liquidity. So I felt like this was A+. It just worked beautifully, and there is easy equal lows below as well. So that is the first setup. And again, it occurred. And again, you can see where price stopped. Price was stopping at 10 a.m. And if you know anything about the 10 a.m. reversal, that also made this setup too, because we couldn't really get above that 10 a.m. high, and that's when the 4-hour candle closes. So that's when you sometimes see some sort of reversal. So let's get into the second setup. So the second setup, this is a little different. This isn't really one of those like instantaneous, reactions. This is one of those setups where we're very low in the range. So we are looking for longs. And it's not really smart to look for shorts on here. We reject, and then all of a sudden, boom, institutional candle over this fair value gap, which also is an institutional candle. And this is definitely people getting stopped out. This is definitely price reversing. And this is just such a high probability momentum candle where I know if I see that candle off of an inverse that's rejected a million times, we're going to go up. And I also like how he had like a manipulation leg. And again, this is more hindsight, this part right here. But this is where you get in live time because you see this in hindsight. And we also had a nice high above the fair value gap above us. And we actually stopped here and we made triple equal highs, which was pretty good too. And you can just see just work beautifully. It started right in that 1150 to 1210 macro, the lunch macro as ICT calls it. So the fact that the reversal started there is high probability as well. So again, another nice A+ setup here. So this one is really good. What I love about this is we don't really have the best engineered buy side here. We do have some low resistance liquidity here that price likes to run. But the thing about this one here is this was such a clean bounce off this. And when I see this in hindsight and I see how we react off it, to me, that's super bullish. And this is such a singular, obvious fair value gap. It's broken here. We even break it again with an order block. So we get an order block here, then break it here again. And we had this LRR above and it was right at open. So we know price is likely to accelerate when I see something like that. Again, there's a liquidity sweep. It looks like we're kind of a discount of the range, like compared to the average of the last 100 candles. It looks like we're not that high in the range. Super obvious fair value gap. It doesn't break with like a single candle, but when we break it, we get an order block. You know, all kinds of things happen here. So again, pretty solid setup, and the timing on this one was pretty good. So for setup, this one is different than the last two. Last two wasn't really instantaneous reversals. This one is good because it's like instantaneous. You know, this is my favorite one for sure. And we are also coming off of a 4-hour fair leg up to the left, which makes it A+. And you can see we get a giant candle over it. Super, super bullish because this order flow is instantly getting reversed. So what do people do? Naturally, in like reverse their positions. And we didn't have a great buy set above. You know, it was okay. It wasn't like those equal highs or engineer highs or anything. But I mean, I guess you could kind of consider this LLR, but again, not the cleanest. We've seen better. But again, the fact that we were in discount, we were very low in the range, got an instantaneous reaction here, just makes the setup really good. And stuff like this is what's going to buy you a Lamborghini. So again, if you can just wait for the setup, you'll be rich. Trust. Not financial advice, by the way. If you haven't, by the way, before we go over the fifth setup, make sure if you want to practice these setups, you're using Apex 50K counts. Would not go higher than that. That is, I think 50K counts are the best. Use code Dodgy. I'm not sure what sale they're running right now, but if you click the link in the description, use code Dodgy. I promise you will not regret it. If you lose like $2,000, you're not actually losing $2,000. You're gonna blow the count, but lose the $40 for whatever you paid for it, and you actually have the chance to get real money. So definitely go check that out. All right, so the fifth and final setup right here. In order to unlock my wisdom on the setup, you have to like and subscribe. No, I'm just kidding. I don't really care. But you can if you want. The fifth and final setup, this is really good because not only were we delivering from a fair value gap down here, I really liked how we set up a lot of engineered highs here, and we also this was super instantaneous. Like boom, red candle, obvious fair value gap, and then all of a sudden after a little chop, boom, green candle. Like to me, this is like, okay, orders are definitely getting reversed here. There's no doubt about it. And I really like, this is one of those reversals, like you really trust it because it's just such a good reversal. It's like, boom, boom. You know, it's the signature price that's unbeaten. It's during the 950 macro time here. There's no 10 a.m. news. You know, it's so good, and it's an A+ setup every time. And we delivered to discount too. Like we were high in the range here, but when you come back in the survey like up here, we're back low in the range, so it's a good setup. So that's going to be it for this video. I appreciate you guys watching. Let me know if you have any questions. And if you aren't following me on Instagram, TikTok, and all that, I do so many reviews of good fair value gap setups. Not as many on my YouTube anymore like I used to because I stopped doing daily reviews. But again, go check that out. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.